Alright, so as you saw in the title, the plan for this video is to make a real life Dogecoin. So I got this piece of clear pine that I'm going to carve it out on. So this is the model I drew up on the computer. So the plan is to stain this wheat color. So this is a gold, so it should look right. And then after I stain it, I'm going to put ore mask over it, carve out the model, and then I'm going to spray paint that with black paint so it really pops out. So that's the plan. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the piece just finished carving, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. And this was just a little mess up. I accidentally had a different toolpath file loaded up when I started it, but that'll all get cut off when I cut the circle. So look, that turned out super well. I'm going to go hit it with the black spray paint, probably about 3 coats, and then it'll be ready to cut the profile out. Alright, so I just finished peeling the ore mask off, and I am really happy with how this turned out. So if we look here, this looks pretty sweet. So now I'm going to cut the circle out, and then I'm going to sand those edges, and then I'm going to throw the stain on, and it's just going to look fantastic. Like, Alright, so I just finished cutting out the profile. Looks pretty sweet, and that 1/4 inch down upcut bit, actually left a pretty nice finish. So I'm just going to need to do a little sanding. I could probably do that with just a piece of sandpaper. And I'll just sand down where those bridges were. And then I'll be able to stain those edges and it'll be done. So this is going to look super sweet. Alright, look, it's all cut out and I'll sand it down. So now I'm going to stain those edges and it's going to be done. I'll probably stain the back too. Alright, so I just finished the Dogecoin up and I'm going to show you some sick action shots of that right now. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And have a great day.